Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to align text in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and you can see here I write some words, so I show you how to align it. So first select here the top word. For top alignment I select the word, okay, select the cell, then go to the home tab in alignment. So this option for the top align, see the changes over here. When I click on this, the word is set on the top side, so this is the top align. Okay, second, for middle alignment I select this cell, again go to the same home tab, and in alignment there is second option, middle align. Just click on it and you can see the word set in middle. Okay, third is a bottom alignment. Just select the cell, then again go to the alignment and click on the third option, bottom alignment. You can see here the word bottom will set on bottom side. You can see the bottom side alignment. Then left, so I select the cell, again go to the alignment and select this option, align the left, and you can see the left word is set in left side. On center word I select the center word, then I click on the center alignment and you can see the word is set on center. Right, so I select the right alignment, you can see the right word set in the right side. So this is the way you can align the text in your Excel. And one more thing, the horizontal, here you can see this is a horizontal. So this is a horizontal text and I'm going to convert this horizontal in vertical. So simply select the text and again go to the home tab in alignment group. Have here option the orientation. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see there are some options. Just click on the vertical text option, just click on it and you can see the horizontal text is converted in vertical. Okay, now if you want to convert the vertical text to horizontal, it's opposite. Again same as, go to the alignment and click on the same option and again click on the vertical text. So it will be deselect this option and the text will convert it in horizontal. I just click on it and you see the text converted in horizontal. And the second way, just click on this drop down arrow. There are other options also available to align text, the angle counterclockwise. When I click on it, see the alignment. Again I just click on drop down angle clockwise, see the changes over here. Third, vertical text I used, and rotate text up, you can see rotate text up, rotate text down. So these are the alignment option available. And here you can see the small arrow is showing decrease intent and increase intent. Okay, for other all option is directly aligned, top, middle, bottom, but here you can increase and decrease your intent. Suppose I select this cell and I click on this decrease, so there is no space in here, therefore is not decreasing. I click on the increasing, you can see here I show you on left, see the, so you can increase and decrease those you want the space. Okay, so that's it, hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.